we're not even to the pass yet, and there are people pulled over. Well, my friends, we are blazing the trail up Donner Pass here. Thanks from Donner Pass! Woo! Yeah, baby! It's kind of like peeling skins off.